this is day 4, and Haukea heard how much fun the Haku had helping me. They've been bugging me all day today. Don't do that. They've been bugging me all day to... Oh, shoot. I'm gonna lose you. Okay, they've been bugging me all day to help me. Questionable how much help they are, but we'll see. So this is the menu for day 4. It is... That's a good idea. It is 2 hard-boiled eggs and an orange. And then for lunch, it's tomato and tuna fish. For dinner, it's chicken breast stir-fry with some vegetables. That's good, huh? Yeah. And then for snack, we have some luncheon meat, some ham and turkey. And we have carrots. And we have nuts, my favorite. And then we have... What's the other one on there? Can you read it? No. Let me see.
That's all.
Oh, cheese. My favorite, cheese.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
So
Now
I'm
we're
doing...
gonna start with a normal dance.
No, we don't need a dance right now. We
Okay.
can. I promise you can do a dance when we're done, okay? We'll be fast. No dancing. Or I'm gonna do it by myself, okay? You're gonna help me, right? So I'm gonna do a day 0 of the 30 days to give the background on what is allowed on my diet. I actually saw a nutritionist, so I do have a plan. I'm not just randomly picking food, although you can pick just about any kind of food.
I'm gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna go in the middle, Grandma.
Okay, this is the Tupperware 11-inch frying pan, and I love it. It is not Teflon coated. It's specially layered with metals so that it's non-stick. So you need no or hardly any oil at all. And then this is a special induction stove. So it won't heat up unless you have the pan on it. And Tupperware makes induction style pan. So you can use them on a regular stove, gas stove, or on an induction stove.
It's stay on.
Yeah, we have to get it warming up. Right? Yeah. Okay.
I see air coming out.
I know, it's keeping it cool. Okay, so you're gonna help me with the snacks. The almonds are great, but we got some regular nuts. No, you're not supposed to eat all of them. Or you can have one. Eat the one that you touched.
I touched. I don't even like nuts.
Okay, so you stick it in here and you measure out 1/4 of a cup. That's 1/4 of a cup. You gotta fill it all the way up. What the hell?
Let me do it.
Okay. There's 3. You have to do 3.
Let me do it.
You're gonna be able to help. Don't worry. Okay, you have to fill it all the way up because Grandma wants 1/4 of a cup. Okay. They go back to school on Monday, and I'm really looking forward because I know how much they're gonna love school this year.
I don't like school.
Oh, yes, you do.
I hate school.
Okay, thank you. So what we do,
Hi, guys.
to make sure there's 1/4 of a cup. This is because when we just like eyeball it, we take way more than a serving of nuts. So to make sure it's okay. So we'll start getting the chicken ready. I cut up 1 chicken breast.
Wow.
1 chicken breast. And then we'll put, you don't need to put oil because the pan is non-stick, but it's more for the flavoring. You put a little bit of olive, a light virgin olive oil, and not very much at all. And then we have, I cut up 1 chicken breast in the pieces for stir fry. Doesn't that look good? Do I dump it in? Is it all in? And then you can stir it. And it doesn't stick because it's non-stick. And then I have some ginger and garlic for the stir fry. Doesn't that smell good? You don't like ginger and garlic? It smells good. So we'll let that fry for a little while. But for breakfast, we're going to have hard-boiled eggs and oranges. And while I was getting the orange ready to come up here, they ate quite a few. It was good orange, huh?
I have none.
You didn't have one yet.
I don't even like oranges that much.
You don't like oranges?
What are they?
You like apples?
What? Pricey?
Oops, that was kind of low.
No.
Okay.
Pricey, what's in there?
This is the Smart Multi-Cooker with a steamer. The multi-cooker has the bottom, you can make rice and pasta. But this is, nicely, stand there nicely. This is specially blocked so microwaves don't go through it. So it hits the water, the steam hits the water, and then it steams and hard boils the eggs. So you can make 10 eggs in 10 minutes. See that? 10 eggs. So while I was getting ready to do the rest of, when I was getting ready to do the rest of my meal prep, I did the eggs.
Smell like that.
And I didn't have to boil them. I didn't have to boil them. They just went in the microwave.
So good boy.
We have to stir the chicken.
Stop.
I think you guys are gonna really love school on Monday. A lot.
I'll get at school every day.
Yeah.
They never.
But they didn't go to school today. Why?
Because you want to stay home.
With you. Because you didn't have school. Don't touch brother.
I'll make a boy of halama.
You can't dance until after, okay?
We're almost done.
Not, well, yeah, we're gonna be done faster than normal.
Faster than yesterday.
Was it long yesterday?
Yeah. Let's do it super long.
Well, you stole my glasses. What else? Why did it take longer?
Because it took us 15 minutes. Oh!
What are you doing? Okay, so we have leftover broccoli.
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 What the heck? Put the pan on.
Little bit of soyu is good. Like soyu?
I usually put soy on mine.
Salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper.
We'll turn this down a little.
Look at this, we're making too much smoke.
Good
Smoke.
Smells good, huh? What's Grandma gonna eat for dinner?
This.
Yeah, and what are you guys gonna eat for dinner?
Cruel pig.
Well, you can have it.
I want to cruel pig right now.
You can eat this one.
I want cruel pig right now.
Yeah, but we're busy making this right now.
This is gonna take us a long time, you guys.
And then the other thing is we have some asparagus left over.
Can I cut them?
Are you gonna be careful?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you can wash your hands while you're back there. Wash your hands while you're back there.
Yeah. Go there. Get it.
Okay.
Go get it. Go get it.
Stand nicely. Okay. Broccoli actually takes a little bit longer to cook, so it's okay if it takes a few minutes to cut. Just cut it. Here, I'll cut the bottom off. And then you can cut chunks for Grandma.
Yeah. Chunk.
Cut pieces for me.
Yeah. What the heck?
Okay, here. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, I want to eat it tonight.
Kind of hard, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You get it soft while we cook it.
It looks like some broccoli.
Maybe we just do a couple at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to take a long time. What if I put my
Is that easier when there's not as much? You can make the pieces a little bit bigger. that helping Grandma cook? That's too small already. Okay, that's good. You can just throw. You want to throw it in? Give me the knife.
I want to it.
You want to throw it in? Throw these ones in. In here. In here.
Come on.
Thank you.
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
Yeah, yummy, yummy. Grandma cooks good food, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I make food that's too good, I eat too much.
Oh, the eggs are hot.
They're still hot?
Yeah, they're very hot.
Yeah. We're trying to cool them off so we can show everybody how cooked they are in just 10 minutes.
I like.
Okay. So right now we finished. Oh, so for lunch, what I did was
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
I cut a tomato. You know when you go to the restaurant and you have a tomato boat and they put tuna fish salad in it? They put tuna fish or tuna fish or canned chicken and make a tomato, take it with you. I don't put the tuna on the tomato until I'm ready to eat it, but I have stuffed it because I need room to stand here too.
I don't have
And there's
any
some
room.
tuna fish. Do what?
I don't have any room because of kids.
Then I have so tuna, tomato, nuts. I only eat one nut a day. One thing of nuts a day. And if you look at the day 0 of the 30-day diet, you'll see why you only eat one nut a day. That's part of the plan. What? Did somebody help push this? It's too low now. And then we're doing the adult lunches. Try and stand nicely, okay? There's ham and turkey.
I mean,
You like turkey? And then carrot sticks. I cut up a bunch of carrot sticks. And you can also eat them during the day, but always make sure that I have something ready like this to grab and go. Because I can eat carrot sticks. You want a carrot stick? Because I can eat carrot sticks out of the refrigerator all day. It's allowed on the plan. So you can eat them all day, but if you're going to go, it would take time to get ready if you had to.
Take it out.
Yeah. It's getting cooked really good. It would take time to get out the container and fill it with stuff. This way I can just grab it and go. And I have a Tupperware lunch bag that I put it in. Did I take my lunch with me when we go to eat out?
Yes, a lot.
A lot, yeah. That's a good
Yesterday,
thing. That's not a bad
one
thing.
time at Target, Grandma took lunch, and I was like, "What is that for?" And she said, "Oh, for lunch."
And what was wrong with that? Nobody cared, right?
No, we didn't. Nobody cared. But if we went to the movies and Grandma wanted to eat something, she had to dump it out and leave it in the car. You can't read any food.
You can't take food in there. Get away. You have to be good while we're filming. So the cheese I'm putting on inside, you probably wouldn't want to put this much cheese.
Cheesy. Not too much.
Oh, you want a piece of cheese? Okay. Are you hungry? Do you want a piece of cheese? You just want Kahlua pig and cabbage, right? Yeah. He really liked the Kahlua pig and cabbage that I made.
I like cabbage.
You like Kahlua pig and cabbage too? Grandma's Kahlua pig and cabbage is good.
Huh? So, I like cabbage.
It's hot.
Ah! I did it!
Good job. You see how it's frying it and it's not sticking at all?
Here, Grandma.
Yeah. Put it back on.
I don't want to put it back on. It's coming out.
Good, huh?
Take it down a lot. I want to crack it. The last time we scrambled it all.
You scramble it, but these are hard-boiled eggs. They pure really nicely.
That's fake.
Okay, the test is, are they cooked in 10 minutes? Perfectly. Every time, 10 minutes, they're cooked. Isn't that perfect? Very good.
Trying to do it easy so I don't get the egg. Easy and peasy.
I want to eat it. Yum.
You like egg? You're not going to want to eat dinner, huh?
I eat a little bit.
Not that.
I only eat the different other eggs for a panda, the little ones.
Okay. All right, so I think we're done. Are we done for today?
Bro, I'm trying to crack the egg.
Trying to peel the egg.
We're not done. We're not
We're
done.
almost done. But doesn't the broccoli look good?
But we're almost done. I'm going to do a floss.
Broccoli, and we have asparagus. And already we can warm up the filet pig and cabbage. It's perfect. So it's a great way. I always say don't buy one thing just for one thing, but that smart multi. Are you gonna eat that?
No.
Stop playing with it. The smart multi cooker can make rice, pasta, hard boiled eggs.
I'm gonna
10 or 12. No,
Hi,
that's
guys.
enough for right now.
You
can make egg salad with that. And I think I'm done. Are you done? What did I tell you you could do if you were good at the end of the show?
Do that.
Go in the front and do a happy dance, or do a dance up here.
I'm going to do it.
Can you put it
No,
lower?
you just do it right there.
Yeah, but nobody can see it.
You're right, nobody can see it.
My turn.
See?
Go ahead. All right. Can you want to come up here and do it?
Yeah.
You have to get down to
Scoot
brother.
door.
I don't
Scoot
want to
door.
I don't want to get off this thing.
All right, go ahead. Tell everybody bye and thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you.
Wait, my babies, my babies, my babies.